Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device OS and Bluetooth hardware. This matters because settings differ across versions. Once done, restart your phone or laptop to clear transient faults, then toggle Bluetooth off and on to force reinitialization. Make sure to check battery saver mode and airplane mode. Both can flip radio behavior. If paired devices are present, power them off briefly to eliminate conflicts. You're taking quick, targeted steps that expose the deeper issues without wasting time on obvious setup. Now you unpair the problem devices and clear the Bluetooth cache. This removes corrupt profiles that cause flapping. Next, update the Bluetooth driver or firmware. On phones, use System Updates. On PCs, use Device Manager or the vendor app. And if a recent update caused instability, roll back the driver. While doing this, monitor system logs or diagnostics to spot repeated error codes. If you use USB Bluetooth adapters, reset them or try a different USB port to rule out power or bandwidth issues. Finish with the final remedies. Make a backup, then perform a network or Bluetooth settings reset. This restores defaults and removes hidden misconfigurations. Once done, test pairing with a known good device to determine whether the issue is local or external. If problems persist, boot in safe mode or a clean boot. This isolates third-party apps or services that might toggle Bluetooth. If safe mode fixes it, remove recent apps. If none of this works, contact the device maker for hardware diagnosis. Your notes will speed support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.